So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. So it looks like she's getting a bob haircut for this one. Adding in some bangs. Now you guys know this is a very popular look for 2023. We're seeing so many bob styles with bangs. And he does do some beautiful layers here to frame out this bob. Ooh, such a gorgeous style. Very pretty. And then we move on to hair transformation number 2. Now she has a really pretty like sandy blonde hair color. And it looks like the stylist is adding some layers for this one. So she does a nice mid-length cut. Gorgeous face framing curtain bangs. And the layers look phenomenal. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Wow, I cannot get over the beautiful copper orange shade that she has. This is such a pretty style. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So if you're currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like she is going to be getting a pixie cut for this transformation. Beautiful shaggy style pixie with the Bardo bangs. Oh, I love this. The color. Now she can wear the bangs swept to the side as well. This is such a chic hairstyle. Very nicely done. So without further ado, let's check out some more hairstyle ideas, options that you can play around with this season.